Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today's video is about the Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2021. So guys, very first one, B.Ed CET exam related कोई भी update है? Right now सारे exam postponed हो चुके as you are well aware about the current scenario. So why you wanna give the B.Ed CET exam? To wanna become a teacher, to pursue the B.Ed from the reputed institute, and finally to work in a better institute. So guys, if you want a career set, first learn all the things, collect all the pebbles of the knowledge, and spread the knowledge to the young ignited minds. So this is it. Learn first, develop all your skills, and then spread the awareness in the world. So guys, B.Ed is nothing but to acquire the skills, which is very important, show your ability to become a teacher, and that's why the teacher aptitude is a major section in the B.Ed CET exam. So develop all your skills, and if you want to enter into the top colleges, then only one exam is there, the Maharashtra B.Ed CET. To enter into the BTTC, the KJ Somaiya, ACCER, St. Xavier College or Thakur College, and the n number of colleges in the Maharashtra state. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk about the preparation strategies and also we'll discuss about the recent update. So before moving further, Manwar launches the crash course batch which will be start from the May mid and only 50 seats are vacant for it. So you will get the live interaction, you will get access for the ebooks, you will learn very shortcut tricks, all your doubts will be solved into the live classes, you will get access for the recorded videos with respect to each particular topic, you will get access for the topic test and the full length mock test. The separate WhatsApp group will be made so you can share all your doubts easily. Overall 5,000 plus questions will be solved throughout this period and you will get the mentorship by our mentors. So guys, if you want to prepare for it, book your seat now, call on 8828581455 or visit at manuedu.com/B.Ed entrance. Now let's move to main topic. Let's talk about the recent notice first. So it is in Marathi language. The शैक्षणिक वर्ष 2021-22 करिता राज्य सामाविक प्रवेश परीक्षा, okay, all the entrance exams under the CET cell, उसकी रिगार्डिंग एक टेंडर नोटीस आउट हुआ था, राईट. सो ती प्रवेश परीक्षा ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने घेण्याबाबतची ई निविदा या कार्यालयाच्या अधिकृत संकेतस्थळावर प्रसिद्ध करण्यात आलेली होती, त्यास स्थगिती देण्यात येत आहे. दॅट मीन्स द प्रीवियस टेंडर वॉज कॅन्सल्ड अँड नाव सुधारित निविदा रिवाइज टेंडर महा टेंडर पोर्टलवर प्रसिद्ध करण्यात येईल. सो यू विल फाइंड द रिवाइज टेंडर ऑन दिस पोर्टल, द महा टेंडर पोर्टल. सो फर्स्ट वन टेंडर बिड कैंसल हो चुका है. Now it will postpone. So guys, you can assume that your exam which will be held every year in June month now will postpone directly to August month. And if registration process will start in July, then exam might be held in the mid of August. So guys, 3 months are left for the preparation. बहुत सारे students का preparation हो चुका होगा. They all are waiting about the dates. Now those who are starting late, उनके लिए big news है guys. You can prepare from now onwards. Only 3 sections are there: the mental ability, teacher aptitude, and the GK, and one more, the ELCET. And guys, 3 months are left, around 90 days you have. Okay, so start your preparation with mental ability, daily 1 chapter. Then teacher aptitude, this is quite simple, यहाँ आपको इतना ज़्यादा फोकस करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. एंड सेकंड वन, द जीके पार्ट. सो जीके को लेकर वॉच डेली वीडियोस, मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स and be connected with the current affairs part. So guys, lot of time you have, 90 days are more enough for your preparations. So guys, whatever goal you set, if you want to enter into the BTTC or any top institute, very first one, before going to start your preparation, remember these 4 points throughout your preparation. The first one, start your journey. That means prepare yourself first. Yes, I want to give the Maharashtra B.Ed CET. Thereafter, think about your career, what you want to do. Either you want to enter into the top colleges, अगर top college मिल जाएगा, then what will be the placement packages and what are the career options. So guys, we have made lot of videos on the YouTube. You can watch that particular video with respect to the institute, with respect to the placement, with respect to the seat intake, everything I mentioned there. Thereafter, third one, place yourself in a timeline. If you will give the B.Ed CET exam and if you will pursue the B.Ed from any reputed institute, then after 5 or 10 years, where you will see yourself, find the answer for this question. And after getting all these answers, start your preparation by pressing the start button. So this is all from today's video guys. If you want a preparation material, contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT or interview or the mentorship programs. You can call on all these respective numbers. You can visit to our website manuedu.com. If you want all exam updates and the notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta and Telegram group. All link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. So that's it. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.